In this video, we will study leap years and how to identify whether a year is leap year or not. So, our regular year, which is not a leap year, has 365 days, and in February month, we have 28 days. However, in leap year, there are 366 days, so one day is more compared to regular year, and February month has total 29 days, so that one additional day is added in February month. Now, using this diagram, we can identify whether a given year is leap year or not. So, this bigger circle describes every number which are divisible by 4. So, inside this bigger circle, we have all the numbers which are divisible by 4. Now, in this circle, we have numbers which is divisible by 4 and 100, and in this smaller circle we have set of number which are divisible by all these three numbers 400 and 400, and outside this bigger circle we have set of all the numbers which are not divisible by 4. Now, using this diagram, it is easy to identify whether a given number is leap year or not. So let us say we are given this particular year and we have to find whether it is leap year or not. So first we will divide this number by 4. So 2016 by 4 is equal to 504. So this number is integer and hence it can be divisible by 4. This number can be divided by 4. So this condition satisfies. So of course this number is inside this bigger circle. Now this number is not divisible by 100 or 400. So this number falls in this region. And we have labeled all this region. L means leap year and NL means not leap year. So leap year, not leap year, leap year and not leap year. Now number falls in this area. So it is leap year. Now let me take another example. Year 1900. Now this number is, let me check whether it is divisible by 4 or not. Yes, it is divisible by 4, and this number is of course divisible by 100. So it will fall inside this circle under the 100. Now we will check whether it is divisible by 400 or not. So 1900 by 400. Now it is not divisible by 400. So this number falls in this region between these two circles. And from this label we can say it is not a leap year. Now let me take another example, 2400. Now of course this number is divisible by 4 and 100, and also we can divide this number by 400. So let me 2400 by 400. Now answer is integer. So this number falls in this smaller circle, under this smaller circle. So this number falls inside this smaller circle. So it is a leap year. From this label we can say it is a leap year. Now take a year 1925. Now this number is not divisible by 4. If you take 1925 by 4, answer is non-integer. So this number falls outside this bigger circle as it is not divisible by 4, and from this label we can say that it is not a leap year. So by using this diagram we can easily identify whether given year is leap year or not. Now I will explain an interesting fact about leap year. Let us say your friend has birthday on 29th of February. 29th of February, and in year 2000 he was born. So this year is leap year. So this year is divisible by 400 and 400. So it falls in this circle. So it is leap year. Now in 2001, February month has only 28 days. So there is no 29th February. So there is no such date like 29th February. So his birthday will not come in this year. In 2002, this year is also not leap year. So in 2002, he will not celebrate his birthday. Same for 2003, and now in 2004 he can celebrate his birthday. So a person who a person who had born on 29th February, whose birthday comes on each 4 year. So I would say that this person is very unlucky.